my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to tell you when you use a scatter plot graph. So a scatter plot is used to decide whether or not two variables have a correlation. So let's say we wanted to know whether or not there was a correlation between the number of hours studied for a test and the grade that was received on that test. So we're going to draw a scatter plot, which means that we're starting with a coordinate plane, usually just going to use quadrant 1 though. And down here you've got number of hours, and over on the y-axis we're going to have the grade. And then we're just going to plot the data that we're given. So let's say that at 1 hour of studying, the grade was a 65, and that's 65, and we'll plot it right there. And then let's say that at 2 hours of studying, the grade went up to a 70. And then at 3 hours of studying, it was a 75. And at 4 hours, something happened and went back down to a 68, and so on and so forth. And you're probably going to get some data that looks like this. And you're looking for a relationship. So now with a scatter plot, you see that there's not a completely direct relationship, because of course there's other factors that go into your grade besides the number of hours that you studied, right? There could be the number of hours you slept, how difficult the material was, things like that. So a scatter plot shows you that there's not an exact direct correlation, but you can see a trend. So then you use a line of best fit to draw that trend. And you know that because the highest score we can get usually is 100, this is going to drop off here, so it's never going to continuously go up. So a scatter plot helps us determine whether or not there is a correlation between the dependent variable and the independent variable. My name is Maria, and I just told you when to draw a scatter plot.